Okay, yes, girl, I'm liking this makeup. Hey you, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited because I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup using mostly Thrive Causemetics. Some things Thrive doesn't make and a few items I do not have, so I will have to use some other products in place of those. But I've got a lot of product here from Thrive and I'm so excited to try it all. So if you're interested, then stay tuned. We are back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Hey. Let's get right into it because I'm so excited. All of these products I received courtesy of Thrive Causemetics and ILYGSM. I will link a video above about how I received all of these wonderful products. Still so excited about it. No, it is not PR. No, this video is not sponsored. This is me just trying out Thrive Causemetics. It's Thrive Causemetics makeup with a cause. So every time that you purchase a Thrive Causemetics item, they donate an item to women with cancer survivors, animals, things like that. And so they give back and I just really love that. I love what they stand for. Now I must say that Thrive Causemetics is not a drugstore brand. They're not an inexpensive brand. Their products and prices are luxury brand products and prices. But my girl ILYGSM has a code and I will link her video down below of her reviewing these products. And so if you want to purchase anything and get your discount, then use her code. Let's go ahead and get started. Obviously, I've already done my brows and prepped my eyes. I believe that they do have an eyebrow pencil and a brow gel, but I do not have those. So I'm going to go ahead and start with eyes because I do have their eyeshadow palette. This palette retails for $45 and this is their perfect eye palette of warm neutrals. And I love Thrive Causemetics packaging this beautiful color, which I believe is the ovarian cancer color. And no, my nails were not planned for this video, I promise. This is one of the KL polishes that Ali sent and I just really love this color, so I was trying it out. But I love this packaging and here are the beautiful colors. The palette has a mirror and on the mirror it actually says you're perfect just the way you are. A lot of their products seem to have really cute sayings to encourage you and I just really love that. It says what makes you different is what makes you beautiful. Every shade in our perfect eye palette is named after strong, fearless women who embrace what makes them unique, redefining the world around them. Thank you for joining us in empowering women through beauty. Carissa Bodnar, the founder and CEO of Thrive Causemetics. We're going to dip into a transition shade. Now I do have a few of their face brushes, but I do not have any of their eye brushes. I believe they have 4 face brushes, about 4 or 5 eye brushes, but because I don't have any of the eye brushes, I'm just going to take a different brush and I'm going to go into this brown shade here, and this shade is Frida. So I just went into the shade Helen and I tapped that all over my eyelid. Now I'm going to take this beautiful shade right here, the shade Roseanne, a very deep brown. Place it in the outer crease. Into the outer V, blend it in and up. Taking this light shade here, and this is in the shade Maybelline, all over the lid. Blend it up into that crease.
Any ideas?
Back into that Roseanne shade, and I'm taking it back into the outer V. And I'm also going to take the same brush that I used for my crease shade, but I'm not going to take any more product. I'm going to blend in the top of that lid shade. Just a tad bit more of that lid color. I'm just going to want to pick up one of my blenders that doesn't have any product on and just buff those colors in together where they meet. Now I'm taking the Thrive Causemetics Brilliant Brightener in the color Stella. Retails for $24. And I'm going to highlight my inner corner, my brow bone, and I'll take a flat brush and just blend that down. Now I'm taking the Thrive Causemetics Infinity Waterproof Eyeliner in the color Lauren. It is a mechanical pencil, but also has a sharpener on the other end and a twist cap so you can use the smudger that they've included. And I like this eyeliner because it's really smooth. My waterline. I'm going to smudge up that wing. Make it look like it's smoking into that outer V. Even it out on this side. This eyeliner runs $22 and they have it in a variety of colors. So I actually would like to get my hands on some of the other colors. I like to have a sharp line. I just want to go back in with a little bit more of that white color. Now I'm going to go in with the Thrive Causemetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara, and I just love the beautiful packaging on this bottle. Retails for $24, and I love the wand on it. I think the pointy end is perfect for getting in those lower lashes, and I like that the wand is not big and bulky like most mascara wands. I feel like that helps you stay more precise and not have it bleeding all over the place. Now I'm going to throw on some lashes. Although Thrive does make lashes and lash glue, I do not have either of those products. I really want to get the lash glue in particular because I've been wanting to try out some other lash glues other than my Duo that I really love, but Duo takes a really long time to dry, so I really want to try the Thrive one. But I'm just going to do that off camera, and then we're going to come back and we're going to get into some of the complexion products. So now I've thrown on my lashes and I want to get started on my complexion products. And Thrive Causemetics doesn't have foundations or concealers, but they do have a BB cream that runs fairly deep in shades, but I don't have that one, although I would like to try it because I've seen the review from Jackie Ina that it's good. So since I don't have it, instead today I'm going to go in with the new Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation, and I've reviewed this on my channel already. First time that I reviewed it, I applied it with a brush. The second time I used it, I did it with my hands as Pat McGrath recommends, but I've yet to apply it with a sponge, and I do have a new sponge here from Thrive Causemetics, their Blend and Blur sponge, and I've heard from Allie's reviews that it's very comparable to the Beauty Blender, so I'm going to go ahead and try the Pat McGrath with Thrive Causemetics sponge today. I'm going to go ahead and prime with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Now that that's tacky, I'm going to go ahead and take the Pat McGrath. I have it in shade 30. Dot that all over my face. What I love about this foundation is it's sheer to medium coverage. I normally use a full coverage foundation, but this foundation is buildable, so you can achieve a really nice coverage with this foundation by going in with multiple layers. It's so comfortable to wear because it's really lightweight. I'm going to go ahead and dampen it with the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. Blend this out. I'm going to go in with a little bit more coverage. So the sponge is working pretty well. I definitely like the shape of it. It's flat and angled on one side and it feels really nice. I like that it's pointy so I can get right up through my eyebrows. At $18, it's just a little less expensive than the Beauty Blender, which is $20. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer, but I'm going to do that off camera because Thrive Causemetics doesn't make a concealer, and I'm going to come back and set it with the powder that I have from Thrive. So I'll place my concealer. I use the Maybelline Age Rewind, the shade Hazelnut. And while I'm letting most of it dry down, I'm going to go ahead and use this Thrive Causemetics Filtered Effects Soft Focusing HD Setting Powder to set underneath my eyes. This powder runs $35, and I love that the top has a cap on it that you can just open up. And it has like a little filter right here. I'm going to blend out the rest of my concealer. Set the rest of my concealer. The powder, I do like it, but I do wish that they would come out with a darker shade like a lot of the brands are doing now. Just a medium shade for the deep skin girls would be really nice. Kind of like the Laura Mercier that has the cocoa powder colored translucent setting powder. Other than that, I do really like it. Now what I want to do is go ahead and bronze. Thrive Causemetics does make a bronzer that they sent. They have a couple of shades. Neither of the shades are my color. I did throw the one that they sent to me in a giveaway. I'll link that video above so you can enter that giveaway if you would like. But I'm just going to go ahead and bronze off camera, and then I'm going to come back to set the face. So I've added some warmth back into my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and set everything, and I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder. But Thrive Causemetics has an all over powder brush that I really like. This is a $50 brush, but it's a very good brush, and it does have a cute little saying that says, "Made today, be as flawless as your makeup." I really like that. So I'm just going to take my powder brush into my Maybelline Fit Me setting powder. This is in the color 360 Mocha, and powder my face. Now to blush, they sent over a beautiful blush in which they have two colors. They did send the deeper shade. This is the Cosmo Power Multi-Dimensional Strobing Blush in the color Angelina. It runs for $34, and it is so gorgeous. They also sent over their blush brush, which has the cute saying, "You're making me blush." So cute. I'm just gonna take this brush into this color here, put it on the balls of my cheeks. And what I love about this color is, for me, it doesn't take much, just a little bit to add a little bit of flush look to the cheeks, just add some color back in. It's so pretty, it's so subtle, and I just love the blush brush. And this brush retails for $25. So that's enough blush before I get carried away. Just that the brush is so soft, I just love applying it. Now to highlight, I'm going to be using their Thrive Cosmo Power 3D Strobing Highlighter. This is in the color Liberty, and I love that their compacts come with mirrors. Overall, their packaging is just really good, very durable, and the color is so pretty. They also sent over their highlighting brush, which says, "May your highlight be as bright as your future." The highlighter is $34 and the highlighting brush is $32.
Any ideas?
So now I'm just going to set the makeup. And now we're going to get into lip products. So they sent over a good amount of lip products. Two different lip liners. These are called the Lip Filler Lip Liners, and I have the shades Ghislaine and Devon. Ghislaine is more like a nude and Devon is more like a berry. Because I'm going with a neutral eye today, I'm probably going to go with Devon just to give the lip a bit of a pop. And these are mechanical pencils, so I really like that. I love that these pencils are really soft, and these lip liners retail for $20. For lipsticks, they sent over two. These are their headliner lipsticks. They retail for $26 each, and they sent Aquila and Emmy. Aquila is this beautiful shade here, and Emmy is this beautiful color here. They're both like berry shades, nudes for my type of skin tone. They're very similar in shade, but I think that I'm gonna go with Emmy. And this lipstick is very comfortable. You can tell it's moisturizing because it just feels really good on the lips. And it matches that lip liner perfectly, even though it's a different name. And one thing I love about these lipsticks is the top is magnetic. It kind of just pulls back on. I really love that. Now to add a bit of pop to the lip, I'm gonna add a gloss. They sent over 6. These are the Glossy Lip Hydrating Serums. They don't say the names on them. This is just what I'm reading from online. These retail for $26 each. For today's look, I would go with the topper, more of this shade, but they've sent over 4 others. And these are their Lip Mate High Shine Reviving Toppers. These retail for $24 each. This cute pinky one, I'm gonna throw the pinky one aside for today's look. I'm either gonna go with this one. I'm not gonna use the gold one for today's look. Out of this one and this one, I would more so go with this one. But I think I actually want to try the Hydrating Gloss Serum more than the High Shine. And I love that they have the angled doe foot. This feels so good. And the color is so gorgeous. It matches the lipstick and the lip liner that I chose for today's look so well. So this is the completed look, guys. So I'm loving this look. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I loved all of the products. If there was one product that I wish was a little different, it would be the translucent setting powder. Hopefully they come out with a deep shade. And although Thrive Causemetics is a little bit on the pricey side, it's good quality product and you can feel good about buying it because you know that the money is going towards donating. So it's another reason not to feel guilty buying high-end makeup. So that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If so, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're going to get reviews like this. And if you are new here, my name is Brittany. I love makeup, hair care, skin care, nail care, and I do lifestyle videos here on my channel. So if you are interested in that sort of thing, hit the subscribe button below, become part of the Britty fam, and I hope to see you in the next video. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful.